Writing style engaging, hey trendsetters. Let's dive into a revolution that starts with the most basic, yet the most expressive piece of clothing you own, the humble t-shirt. Welcome to T-shirts Taboo, where we're not just wearing our hearts on our sleeves, but our statements on our chests. Imagine stepping out in a t-shirt that screams your vibe without you saying a word. Our latest collection isn't just about colors and cuts, it's about making bold statements, pushing boundaries, and starting conversations. Each t-shirt in our collection is crafted with precision and care, because we know that quality matters just as much as the message. From soft fabrics that hug your skin to prints that stay crisp wash after wash, we've got you covered. But it's not just about looking good. It's about feeling great and expressing yourself. Whether you're the loud one in the room or the quietly confident type, there's something here for everyone. Our designs, they break the mold. With vibrant patterns, daring quotes, and a touch of the taboo, they are everything but ordinary. Why fit in when you were born to stand out, right? Our t-shirts serve as a canvas for you to showcase who you are. Pair them with your favorite jeans for a casual look, or throw on a blazer for a night out, and watch heads turn. With T-shirts Taboo, you're not just choosing a piece of clothing, you're choosing to make a statement. So are you ready to wear your attitude? Browse our collection today and find the t-shirt that speaks to you. Revolutionize your wardrobe, make your mark, and let your t-shirt do the talking. Don't just wear a t-shirt, wear a conversation. Wear T-shirts Taboo.